How to share a PDF link from Google Drive. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First of all, open up Google Drive on your phone. So just make sure that you have the correct account logged in, and I'm here on my drive. So what I'm going to do here is find a PDF file that's right here. If you don't have it, you can just tap on the plus icon to upload your file. So let me just show you guys by uploading a new file. And once you tap on the plus icon, tap on upload. So I'm just going to select a random PDF file from here. And once you've done that, tap on upload. Now it will start uploading. And once the file has been uploaded, just tap on the three lines of the PDF file, tap on share. And from here, you can choose the manage access option. Simply go ahead and tap on manage access. And here on not shared, make sure you change it from restricted to anyone with the link. And once you change the general access, tap on the link option to copy the link to your clipboard. Now once you copy the link, go back, go to the chat or anywhere you want to share it. Just tap on the chat and then just paste the link. Tap on send and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.